Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and I mean, basically we're consolidating above the 9-day. So it's been kind of a consolidation week. You can see the ranges, they've been kind of the same or narrowing a little bit. It wasn't quite an inside day yesterday. We broke above the high. This was an inside day versus here, and we'll see how today plays out. The good news is, this isn't going to last. We're either, we're coiling for a move higher, or the consistent pressure on the 9-day is going to lead to a move down to the daily mid-band, in which case we can figure out what it wants to do when it gets down there and then deal with it. The overall, say for the last month or so, has been a longer consolidation, and that's going to set up a directional move for the summer. It's not going to be a dead summer. It's not, because it's been kind of a dead mid-April to mid-May. And there's just simply too much going on in the world for this thing to die during the summer. So I've already taken my vacation. So it's as far as trading this stuff is concerned, it's going to be a very interesting few summer months and then into the fall. The next free webinar I do, which is going to be the 30th, whatever day is that. So 2 weeks from Wednesday, we're going to talk about the summer trade. So I was not just going off on some random tangent at 7 o'clock in the morning. On May the 30th, we're going to do a free webinar. We'll get the signups out and everything. We're going to talk about setting yourself up for the summer trade, because Memorial Day will be upon us, and that'll be pretty appropriate. All right, let's look at the hourly. So here's your consolidation week. They tried to break it out. They tested weekly pivot twice. They still haven't challenged this double bottom at weekly pivot down in the 04 area. They took it up, back, and up. They whipped it around yesterday in both directions, which made for some good trading. We did 15 yesterday. We did 17 the day before. So we're sitting on a 40-something handle week. We've had a couple successful trades in the overnight, and right now I'm short. Short 23.75 against 24s, looking for 20. It is so what I am looking for today is a little bit of resolution from this consolidation as we head into Friday. The daily pivot's going to be important at 20.5. So daily pivot is key. You've got the hourly mid-band that's just kind of getting bisected here in the overnight. I think that level is going to have to make a decision. It's going to have to make a decision whether it wants to be support or resistance, and price will follow. We potentially have a directional day today, the way some of our other indicators line up. If they can hold the daily pivot, then that direction can be to the upside. You convert hourly mid-band and daily pivot, then I think you're looking at a retest of 04 today. Whether anything comes of that remains to be seen. Remember our baseline attitude about the bears right now. They are irrelevant above the weekly pivot. They're irrelevant above the weekly pivot, bottom line. So they need to convert that level in order to deal with the round number 2,700, and then potentially deal with a move down to the daily mid-band. Upper band, middle band, lower band, middle band, upper band. So what we're trying to figure out right now, and what this daily chart is trying to figure out right now, is, are we going to go back to the daily mid, or is the 9-day going to be enough? Now, if you recall, back when we were heading to all-time highs, the 9 was enough for a long time. There's your all-time high. Do I think that's going to happen again? Not really. I mean, they can, certainly not to those areas. But, if they want the 9-day to be the deal, then you can expect dip buyers to come in and do their thing, and they'll start to press things up. Are they pressing things up this week? No way. So we'll see how it goes. All right, everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll be back Sunday, Monday. we'll put another report out on social. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.